Good morning, students. Hope you are fine and enjoying the studies. Today, we will start chapter 3 More in Excel. MS Excel provides many features in addition to creation of worksheets and performing calculations. You can use MS Excel to sort data, filter data, create charts, and much more. Let us learn about these tools in details. These are the key concepts which we will cover in this chapter. Sorting data, filtering data, conditional formatting, and charts. But in this part, we will cover only sorting data. Sorting data. Sorting data means arranging the data in ascending or descending order for easy analysis. We can sort our data alphabetically or numerically by selecting the order of sorting. Data sorting is a very important tool of MS Excel. Generally, when we write a data in a proper arrangement, that is either in a ascending format or in a descending format, it is termed as a data sorting. Sometime when we have to find the students who is getting highest marks in the class, or when we have to arrange the names in a proper alphabetical sequence, for that we can use data sorting feature. For working with the data sorting, we have to use data tab, and for that you have to use data sorting option. Data sorting feature is available in the data tab of menu bar. Excel has a built-in feature to sort data. In both cases, Excel first sort numbers, then letters, followed by blank cells. First, create a worksheet in Excel, then select the data cells including the column heading which are to be sorted and follow the steps shown in figure. Steps 1. Click on the data tab. Step 2. Click on the sort option in the sort and filter group to open the sort dialog box. Step 3. By default, the My Data Has Headers option is checked. Click here if this option is unchecked. Step 4. Click on Sort to open the drop-down menu of fields on the basis of which you want to sort the list. Let us select the highest score to sort on the field. Step 5. Click on Order to open the drop-down menu. To choose ascending or descending order for the list, let us select the largest to smallest option. Step 6. Click on OK. Excel does not sort data in the other fields or columns if it is not told to do so. It simply remembers instructions for ascending or descending order. Now, what happens if you want to sort such data having the same values in one field? To sort such data, you need to add more fields for sorting. This is called advanced sorting. For this, first open the sort dialog box and select sort by and follow the steps shown in figure. Steps 1. Click on the Add Level button in the Sort dialog box to add more fields for sorting. Step 2. This will add the Then by row just below the Sort by row. Step 3. From the drop-down list, first choose average for column and then smallest to largest for order. Step 4. Click on OK. This is all for today, students. I am sending exercise, take the correct answer, which you have to do in Computer Fair notebook. In my next video, I will continue this chapter with a new topic, filtering data. Till then, bye.